Hi guys, Rieta here. So I wanted to today, I'm out here in Welgelegen in Parow, in Cape Town, and I wanted to just share a quick video of one of the properties that we are busy taking over. Now this house, and you can see it there behind me, it's a very beautiful house, and in total there can be about 16-17 students on this property. And this this year, 2022, the owner ran the student accommodation with Northlink students, and she's just down the road from Northlink, so it's a perfect location as well. And she ran it and herself. She managed the property herself, and she lives actually quite far away, so she couldn't be here every day to make sure that everything goes the way it should. She's actually in the tourism business, and she then approached us and she said, Rieta, please can you guys help me to do the management of the students, the placements and everything else for next year. And she's a really awesome lady, and we are going to be helping her. So I wanted to show you guys what happens if you leave students to their own devices and there's not enough control. And I mean, she has cameras, she's done everything she could from a distance, but we're going to be placing a house parent, a warden if you want to call it, that will be living on the property, that will be looking after the students and making sure that the place stays nice and maintained and clean and all of that. So see, it's in a very nice neighborhood, so we also need to make sure, yeah, that we keep the neighbors happy. So you can see the house. This is the main house, if you call it that, and in there you have 6 students. But today I'll do a full video at another time. Today I just wanted to show you guys the effects of what happens and what these kids get up to if there's not anybody being close and checking what they're doing. So you can see the cigarette butts and the mess that they just do. And then here, see, very nice house, but check this. And don't know how long this thing has been like that, but it is really disgusting, and there's flies everywhere. The stove is gross, and then you can see in here as well the bathroom. Such a beautiful bathroom, but look at that. It really is, it's really horrible. So we have cleaners that comes in once a week that just does a proper clean of everything. Anyway, so student accommodation, not for the faint-hearted, but if you do it right, then you will still have issues. We always have issues and drama and whatever else, but you can minimize it. And if you guys are looking for somebody to help you with your place and to maintain the place, to help with your students' intake, signing new leases for next year and all of that, then definitely give us a shout at mystudenthouse.co.za, or you can email getinfo@mystudenthouse.co.za. Right, cool, chat soon.